Go.
How do you condense the logs, right? So basically here, what we have to do is that you need to ask yourself, do the logs have the same base? The base is a number, right? That's in there with the log. So the little number here is 2, 2, and 2. Perfect. So then I'm able to condense, right? So what should be the first step? Well, look at any numbers in front of you, your logs, right? So here I have the 3, then I have the 2, 1 over 2. So just send them back and turn them into a degree. So now I have a log with the base of 2, a to the power of 3, minus, well, I didn't mess with this one, just copy it. Log with the base of 2, b, plus log with the base of 2, c to the power of 1 over 2. Hey, Leo. So now, what else could I do? You have to remember that if I deal with a fraction, I have to take it into, you need to turn it into a square root. So in this case, 1 over 2 is square root of c, right? So this 1/2 converted to a square root, right? Or go vice versa. But what happens if the number switches to, let's say, 1 over 100? Then the root is not going to have a number in there with the 100, or again, vice versa, right? Turn it into, from a root, turn it into a degree, right? But keep the fraction. Now that I did that, everything else I didn't mess with this, so just copy it. Log with the base of 2, a to the power of 3, minus log with the base of 2, b, plus log with the base of 2, and then we already did that one, right? So from here, I know, right, Leo? So now here, right, what do I do? What's next? Should I focus on the minus or the plus? I should focus on the plus. So I should try to tackle and condense these two right over here. So these two logs just turn into one. I know. So if I'm multiplying, you have to, if you're adding, you have to remember you're multiplying. If I'm multiplying, you have to remember that you're adding. But at this point, I'm sure you guys know that. So b times square root of c. I didn't mess with it. Again, copy it. That's why a lot of kids don't like the logs, because it's a lot of rewriting. So now what do? Well, I have a minus. These two logs are going to condense into just one, just like we did before over here, right? Log with the base of 2. But now the question is a lot of students get confused. Which one should go on top? Is it a cubic or the second part? Well, it's always going to be the first part. A cubic over b times square root of c, right? And this is a proper way to do it, because if you start off by condensing the minus, it's going to be completely wrong. So just keep that in mind.